Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Dreame L10s Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. A fully automated cleaning marvel that takes the hassle out of home maintenance. This powerhouse device boasts a remarkable 5,300 pascals suction and advanced AI navigation, using an RGB camera and 3D structured light to tailor cleaning strategies and navigate your home with precision. With its automatic dust collection and mop cleaning capabilities, the Dreame L10s Ultra offers up to 60 days of hands-off cleaning, thanks to its exclusive Dual Boost 2.0 system that efficiently empties dust into a 3-liter bag. The dual rotary mops, spinning at 180 RPM, ensure your floors are scrubbed to perfection, while the automatic mop cleaning and drying system keeps them fresh and odor-free. Customize your cleaning experience with the app, allowing you to create maps, set no-go zones, and control the vacuum with voice commands or video supervision. Whether it's tackling carpets or hard floors, this robot vacuum intelligently adjusts its cleaning methods, making it the ultimate solution for a spotless home. So, sit back, relax, and let the Dreame L10s Ultra transform your cleaning routine into a seamless experience.